Are you wondering, what is jasmine essential oil good for, or how do I use jasmine essential oil on my face? In this video, I will share with you some of the common uses for jasmine essential oil and what it blends well with, and even throw in there some fun facts. I'm Mandy Summers, essential oil educator and enthusiast. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Teaching about the power of essential oils for the last 9 years, and I'm really excited to talk with you about jasmine essential oil. Now stick around to the end and I'll teach you how to grab my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I jump into this video, I always like to ask my YouTube community to share their favorite tips about the oil that I'm talking about. And today we're talking about jasmine. So go ahead and in the comments below, if you have some favorite ways you like to use jasmine, pop them in the comments below so we can learn from you as well. So let's jump right in. The exquisite aroma of jasmine flowers encourages feelings of romance, euphoria, joy, and splendor. With jasmine oil, you can carry the captivating fragrance of jasmine absolute in your pocket anywhere you go. So where does jasmine oil come from? For thousands of years, jasmine flowers have been associated with joy, happiness, love, and splendor. Sweet and captivating, the dainty white blossoms are popular in bridal bouquets around the world. They are also associated with religious ceremonies and are used to adorn shrines in the Buddhist and Hindu temples. Although native to the tropics, jasmine is cultivated in gardens around the world, thanks to its beautiful blossoms and exquisite fragrances. The aroma of jasmine oil has almost universal appeal. Intensely floral, its warm, sweet, musky, and exotic scent is amazing. Due to the delicate nature of the blossoms, jasmine cannot be distilled like other flowers. Instead, a precious, highly concentrated absolute is made from the flowers. It takes thousands of freshly picked petals to produce one 5 milliliter bottle of jasmine absolute. There are over 200 varieties of jasmine, most of which are native to warmer climates in northern Africa and southern Asia. doTERRA's jasmine is sourced in Egypt from royal jasmine flower petals. Royal jasmine is the most sought after fragrance in the perfume and aromatherapy industries, thanks to its superior aroma. doTERRA Standards takes that to the next level with added health benefits. So where do you apply jasmine oil? Jasmine oil can be applied to pulse points for calming aroma that uplifts moods and promotes a positive outlook on life. It evokes feelings of joy, peace, and self-confidence. In addition, jasmine oil provides a myriad of benefits to the mind and the body. When worn as a personal fragrance on the wrists and the neck, jasmine oil helps balance the mood throughout the month and is highly sought after for its ability to stir feelings of euphoria and romance. Is jasmine oil good for skin? Jasmine oil promotes a healthy looking, glowing complexion and reduces the appearance of blemishes, fine lines, and wrinkles. It can be applied to the scalp to nourish and protect the skin. So how do you use jasmine essential oil? Jasmine can be used aromatically, topically, internally, and can be applied neat to the skin. You can apply on your wrists and your neck as a personal fragrance. Jasmine's aroma is intensely floral and warm and musky, so it is a perfect scent for a fun perfume. Jasmine is known to reduce the appearance of skin imperfections and promote healthy looking radiant skin. And because of its convenient application in a roll-on bottle that doTERRA offers, its combination with fractionated coconut oil, you can apply Jasmine Touch directly to your skin imperfections in the morning and at night. Not only will it help reduce the appearances of skin imperfections, but it will also leave your skin with a beautiful glowing complexion. Because jasmine has such an uplifting scent, using Jasmine Touch on our pulse points is the perfect way to uplift the mood. Emotionally, jasmine promotes feelings of joy, peace, and self-confidence. Applying jasmine jasmine in the morning will help provide a positive outlook on the day and leave you feeling uplifted and confident. Jasmine oil blends well with Hawaiian sandalwood, Roman chamomile, bergamot, cedarwood, and rosemary essential oils. So here are a few fun facts. It takes 8 pounds of jasmine blossoms to distill one 5 milliliter bottle of essential oil. That's about 20,000 hand-picked blossoms one by one. Such a precious oil. The chemistry of jasmine flowers significantly changes throughout the day. The flowers used in doTERRA's Jasmine Touch are harvested in the morning when the chemical compounds are the most aromatic. So there you have it, some of my favorite tips and facts about jasmine essential oil, and it's freebie time as promised. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with common uses and so much more. Go ahead and click the link in the description below, put your email in, and it will show up in your inbox shortly thereafter. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And please reach out to me if you want a free wellness consultation or if you're interested in getting some essential oils at 25% off. Have a wonderful day. Bye.